already.
I started.
This is an elevator.
Go ahead. It's an Otis.
Not sure what the name of this place is.
It's a small elevator.
Really small. Wow.
It's vintage but modernized.
Slow.
So let's get off at 1. Let's switch sides.
Sounds good.
Or you want to go down and get off at 2.
Switch sides.
Yeah. Well, let's get off at 1.
Nothing too special.
Yeah.
But I'm really curious what this thing used to be.
It had an old Otis. I think this was an Otis Lexan or a series. More like Lexan, I would say.
Yeah. There we are.
Look, there's an old Otis
Otis
plate
is
there.
Here's the name of the building.
Oh. That's it.